Hello to a new lesson. In this lesson, we will see how can we enable or disable a service at boot. First, let's check the service status. SystemCTL status httpd.service. As you see, the Apache web service is active and running, and it is also disabled. Disabled here means that the Apache web service will not automatically start if I rebooted the system. Now to configure the Apache web service to automatically start at boot, run systemctl enable httpd.service. Let me clear the screen. Now let's check the httpd service status. So I will run the systemctl status. As you see, the httpd service is enabled, and that means that the httpd service will start at boot. Now let us see how can we disable a service at boot. So I will run the command systemctl disable, then the name of the service, which is httpd.service, and press enter. Now I have disabled the httpd service at boot, and to verify that, I will run the systemctl status and press enter. As you see, the Apache web service is disabled, and by that we get to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you in next lesson.